Hello IG Garage family. Is your car throwing the P0059 error code and showing signs of poor fuel efficiency? Ignoring this issue can lead to increased emissions, poor engine performance, and even catalytic converter damage. In this video we'll cover what P0059 means, the exact sensor location, very important, and how to diagnose and fix it properly. Stay tuned because fixing this now can save you from costly repairs later. What does P0059 mean? The P0059 code stands for Heated Oxygen Sensor or ho2s Heater Resistance Bank 2 Sensor 1. This means the pre-catalytic converter oxygen sensor on Bank 2 has a heater circuit with incorrect resistance. The heater circuit helps the oxygen sensor reach its optimal temperature faster, improving fuel efficiency and emissions control. Symptoms of P0059: check engine light on, poor fuel economy, increased emissions, engine running rich or lean, and rough idling or hesitation. Common causes of P0059 include a variety of issues that can trigger this error code. First, a faulty oxygen sensor, also known as ho2s, can be a culprit. The internal heater of the sensor may have either too high or too low resistance, causing the error. Second, damaged wiring or connectors can also be to blame. Issues like corrosion, shorts, or broken connections in the heater circuit can lead to this problem. Blown fuse or faulty relay. If the heater circuit doesn't receive power, the sensor won't function properly. ECU malfunction. The engine control unit or ECU may not be supplying the correct voltage. And finally, bad ground connection. A poor ground can lead to high resistance in the heater circuit. Where is the oxygen sensor located for P0059? Bank 2, Sensor 1 location. The upstream oxygen sensor is located before the catalytic converter on Bank 2 of the engine. Bank 2 is the side of the engine opposite cylinder 1. In V6 and V8 engines, Bank 2 is usually on the passenger's side. 2. Oxygen sensor connector location. The sensor plugs into the main engine wiring harness near the exhaust manifold. 3. Fuse and relay for heater circuit, found in the underhood fuse box. Check your vehicle's service manual for the exact fuse location. Tip: always check your car's service manual for precise sensor location based on your engine type. First, check the oxygen sensor heater resistance. Use a multimeter to measure resistance across the heater terminals. If resistance is out of range, replace the sensor. Second, inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for burnt, corroded, or broken wires and repair or replace any faulty connections. Third, check the fuse and relay. Locate the oxygen sensor heater fuse in the fuse box. If the relay is faulty or stuck, well, replace it. Fourth, test the voltage supply to the sensor. Use a voltmeter to verify if the sensor is receiving proper voltage. If the voltage is too high or too low, the problem may be with the ECU or wiring. Alright, so after completing the necessary repairs, the next step is to reset the P0059 code. Once that's done, take the car for a test drive. This will help confirm that the fix was successful. So that's everything you need to know about P0059 ho2s heater resistance, Bank 2 Sensor 1. If you're facing this issue, check your oxygen sensor, wiring, fuses, and heater circuit first. For more helpful car fixes, check out these videos next. 1. P0123, throttle position sensor, TPS, circuit high input. 2. P0461, fuel level sensor circuit range, performance. If this video helped you, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.